Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then, vaginal epithelium is derived from. Vaginal epithelium is derived from the endoderm of urogenital sinus. Vaginal epithelium is derived from endoderm of urogenital sinus. Next, complete failure of Mullerian duct fusion will result in uterine didelphus. Then, bicornuate uterus is due to incomplete fusion of paramesonephric duct will result in bicornuate uterus. Then, unicollis bicornis. Unicollis bicornis is that means there will be two uterine cavity with one cervix is unicollis bicornis. Then, SRY gene is located on short arm of Y chromosome. Then, which of the following structures are homologous? All of the following structures are homologous except. So, labia majora and labia majora and scrotum. Yes, they both are formed from genital swelling. Then, labia minora and penile urethra. Yes, it is also homologous. Epophoron and caudal end of the Wolffian duct. Actually, epophoron and cranial end of the Wolffian duct, not the caudal end. Clitoris and glans penis. So these are the pair of homologous structures.
thank you and thank you for watching.